fucking bird shit all over my car. Cracked the fiberglass on so many different places.
And this time I was fucking smart. I brought a motherfucking breaker bar. Money. Thank God. What's up, guys? We're over here at my local pick your part, trying to see if we can find this goddamn dust shield that we've been looking for, because it's off a 86 89 Integra. Haven't found it anywhere. I'm lucky I found that 89 Integra RS, but I didn't realize that I needed the brake. What is it? The brake dust shield, like the brake dust shield in the rear. My 87 right here has brake drums. Shit is fucking leaking, so I'm pretty sure like the cylinder inside is leaking. But look, that's all brake fluid, and eventually I'm gonna go ahead and like strip the clear coat and either clear coat it or paint the rims black or something, like do the whole process on that after I change this thing. But anyway, mine have brake drums, so that's what I'm doing the whole conversion for, because brake drums just aren't cool. But we're gonna go out here, we're gonna find this shit. So I came here last time and didn't have a breaker bar, didn't bring a drill, and I couldn't take out the rotor, so I couldn't take out the backing plate, or I couldn't take out that dust shield. So yeah, it's hot. I brought my hat, so we're fucking cool. But we're gonna go in here right now and see what we can get. Let's go get it. It's always the same shit when I come here. I come for one thing and I like something else. Diesel.
I can't stay.
What you have to do is take out this caliper bracket right here. I think you also have to take out the e-brake cable over here in the back. After that, this whole caliper should just fall out, and then we can just take out the hub nut right here, and the whole thing will come off like it did on the other side. There we go. We almost have Integra swap brakes. So I went ahead and took out these slider pins right here, the caliper, and I was gonna take out these, which are the ones that hold it to the bracket. Once those come off, this whole caliper should come off one piece, and then I'll just take out this rotor, and we'll have our rear dust shield.
later.
Alright guys, so the most fucked up thing happened to me yesterday. Yeah, I think I need a whole week to get over it. I was driving down the freeway and totally forgot to put 2 bolts back on the front grille of the CRX, and yeah, I was going pretty fast on the freeway, you could say, and since I didn't put those 2 bolts, it flipped open and cracked the fiberglass on so many different places. And yeah, it was a fucking bummer because I had to pull over on the side of the freeway with my girlfriend in there and try and basically pull the fuck over and get this shit, you know, to a safe location and stuff. But yeah, right here is where I did not plug it in, so the air was coming in and it just flipped the shit over. So this morning I went ahead and put some more layer of fiberglass on the top and the bottom of it just to see if it can reinforce it, but I don't think it'll be ready for Friday. So this Friday I was going to the Donut Media like event that they have for their 1 million subscribers on YouTube, and that's Friday over here in LA at the Peterson Automotive Museum. And I wanted to have this shit painted by then and have everything done nice and cherry because my car wasn't gonna be able to go inside. And yeah, now I'm bummed because now I'm gonna either have to pull a bunch of all-nighters, literally probably for the next 4 days, to get this thing ready, because I wanted to get the brake swap done as well. I wanted to get the fender put on, but yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to just wing it and go with it. And now to add to the number of problems that I've had today, I switched my battery with my girlfriend's battery because her battery was no good. My battery was good. She has an actual adult job and she literally saves people's lives every day. So I gave her my battery, being the good person, but I haven't got a new battery for myself. So now I'm stranded here waiting for AAA again. This is the second time, by the way, that I had to call AAA to get my thing jump started. And to add on to that, a fucking bird shit all over my car. I just cleaned his windows. God damn it. Well, I don't know what's gonna go on. But besides that fact, we're good. We're good. I'm good because I still get to see this fucking car full of bird shit and be proud of it. And that is the whole point behind this build, the whole point behind this YouTube channel. For you guys to get inspired, for me to also show, I guess, my motivation for this build, because I'm not doing it for the money or I'm not doing it for the fame or whatever. I'm doing this because I take so much goddamn pride in this car. It's a 31-year-old car and it's almost completely restored. There's obviously some people that have older cars and more expensive cars and stuff, but this car is mine and I put in the hours, I put in whatever money, whatever time I needed to do to get this shit running. Besides this car being full of pigeon shit and losing its front grille and leaking brake fluid and not having a good battery and all the other things that are wrong with it, I still love this car. This car will always be with me forever. It's the car that I fell in love with. It's the car that I fell in love with someone else with. So I met my girlfriend and we had our first date in this car and we fell in love with this car. So this car has a lot of sentimental value to me. So a side message is, find something that you love, go pursue it again and again and again, regardless if it doesn't turn on, regardless if somebody shits on it, regardless of whatever goes wrong with that thing that you love, regardless of what happens. If you go back and still find love and still find excitement and happiness from that one thing, pursue it. Do me that favor and pursue it, because when you're able to put up with something, a relationship, a car, whatever it might be, for a long amount of time, regardless of the ups and downs, and still be happy, that's what you need to pursue. So, learning moment for me right now, be happy. Learning moment for all of you guys, be happy. Follow what you guys want to do. And like always, get your ass off the couch and stay boosted. Get your shit into high gear. Get that motivation, get that grind level, and go all out. Just like a turbo. You gotta spool it up. But like always, stay boosted. Alright, I cannot make this shit up. As soon as I finished recording that last video, that last clip, my goddamn car turned on. What? I don't know what the hell's going on, but all I need left is for that bird shit to go away. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but I'm gonna keep praying to the universe, whatever it might be, because my car turned on when it was dead. Dead, like my dog. Great things are gonna happen. I promise you. Like always, once again, stay boosted.